Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about dual apps in Realme smartphone. What is it? And before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings like this and you have to swipe up and click on apps. Here it is parallel apps, means clone apps. If you just select it like this, the parallel office it is created. You can see two Facebook are showing here. This is the one, this is the clone version of it. You can use second account over here, and if you want to just simply delete this second, just you have to open the app information, or you can simply open settings, apps, parallel apps, and you have to simply turn it off. This is how you can remove it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.